This is another notification and public notice is mentioned there. The meadow before you is a good example of the importance of conserving open spaces when area like these are not disturbed. They provide habitat for animals such as eastern meadowlark, grasshopper sparrows, and cottontail rabbits. Other important areas are wetland, which serve crucial functions for the environment, such as providing clean air, purified water, and wildlife habitat. Be a steward of the land by protecting our natural resources. This is mentioned by the whoever taking care matters. So they said a very habitat and very remote areas. That's why they give notifications. So be careful and beware what to do, what not to do. So there was one more very big deer actually, right other side of the creek. Creek is middle right here. Very tall tree right there is like a 30 to 40 feet tall, and this one is almost 40 45 feet tall. It's very tall trees, and the middle of these three creeks are running and deers are coming to drink water from that creek.